how to substitute eggs in your recipes. Okay, let's start with this. Use flax seeds. You can have the whole seeds and you can put them in a grinder. And for each egg, you will use 1 tablespoon, the big spoon, of the meal or ground flaxseed, and with water. And that will make a gooey sauce, and that will be for 1 egg. Or you can use also chia seeds, and you can leave them whole and put the water, and they will look gooey. Or you can also grind them and do the same thing that you did with the flax seeds. But other people don't like to use that, and they use the what they call applesauce, or they use the ripe bananas and they mash them. And for each egg is 1 cup of applesauce, or for the banana will be 1 banana for 1 egg. You need to try which one is better for you. I prefer the golden flax seeds, and I use them for many things.